Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandal in the City. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, like, and hit that subscribe button below. As you can see by the title of the video, it is going to be my luxury birthday unboxing haul. If you want to see what I am unboxing, keep on watching. So guys, we're going to start with the Tiffany Co items first. So let's get started. I hope your holidays are going well so far, guys. Take off the lid. Can't go wrong with something from Tiffany's. And it's wrapped in this bubble wrap, guys. Remove that. And it comes in this little Tiffany pouch to reveal my first 60th birthday gift. Yes, look at that. I collect snowflakes. So let me just give you a closer look here if you can see it. Let me put the box up. Maybe you can see it a little better. See the snowflakes on it? It is just a gorgeous piece, and it's got the snowflakes all around it, and it is in the Tiffany blue crystal glass. This ornament measures 3.5 in height and 3 inches in the width, and it comes with the original Tiffany blue ribbon. It is just gorgeous. Look at that, guys. I do collect the snowflakes, so this will be a good addition to my collection. So that is the first piece, guys. And the second one in this box here. I just love their packaging. Tiffany & Co. on the front. Let me take the lid off. Small item there. In the bubble wrap again. And to reveal, yes, another Tiffany ornament. And this one is in the Tiffany blue crystal glass. It's got Tiffany etched down there. I don't know if you could really see it too well. And I like the etching on the bottom. This also comes with the original blue ribbon. Same height, 3.5. Same width, 3 inches. Just a gorgeous little piece. It's got nice weight to it as well. And I just checked on the website. I was going to order some more of these, and they are currently sold out. Not quite sure if they're getting them again. So that is my second item from Tiffany. Pardon me. Then I have something in this larger Tiffany box. Just remove the lid. And it is packed really nicely with this bubble wrap. Like this. Just let me remove one, guys. Nicely packed for protection. I'm just going to go ahead and unwrap it, and I'll be right back. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've removed most of the bubble wrap. Oh, these are stunning. And this is what I received as well. They are gorgeous. They are called the Tiffany Trumpet Champagne Flute Glass, and this holds 8 ounces of fluid, and they are lead crystal, and the bottom has Tiffany Co on it. Not quite sure if you can see it. It's right below the sticker there. I just love them. I cannot wait to use these, and I'll link down below what the height is and width of the open mouth. And I have another one here. Just let me go ahead and get this off. There we go. Oh, they're gorgeous, guys. Just gorgeous. So there, I got a pair of those. I cannot wait to use them. They've got a little bit of weight, not too heavy. So there they are, guys. There is the top. And my last item from Tiffany Co. It's not from Tiffany Co, but my book, Breakfast at Tiffany's. I just love this movie, guys. Here's the back. And this is the 50th anniversary companion book. Let's go ahead and open it up inside so you guys can get an idea of what's inside here, guys. Lots of photos of the movie itself. I know there's in here, there's music, there's stills of her. You know, really, really good read. Everything about it. I just love it. The music, I believe there's original music sheets in here, guys. Illustrations, lots of photos. The songs that are in it, the reception. Just a gorgeous little book. I cannot wait to read this one. So guys, if you're interested in any of these items that I have unboxed today for my birthday, I will list them in the description box below. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my video, guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, head over to Instagram at Jandal Smith and give me a like there. So I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Remember, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Bye-bye.